Hey class, Absolute 5 here. So today I feel it's necessary to go over a little bit more on PEMDAS. Even though I made one video already about it, I want to go further in depth on it. So let's write out the actual properties of how we use PEMDAS. So let's see. The rules are this. It's very important to remember this when you write PEMDAS. The first thing is this. Always remember you have to perform all operations within parentheses Right, we have parentheses here, we have brackets, or curly face. We'll just say curly face because that's what I call it. Curly face. Right. The second step is to evaluate any expressions with exponents 3 multiply or divide in order from left to right. We'll put little parentheses, whichever comes first. Put a little star there. That's very important to remember. And the last part, add or subtract in order from left to right. So that's the same concept since they're identical. So it's the same concept, whichever comes first from left to right. Okay. So in the last video, I didn't have this stuff. This is very important to have. I advise memorizing it, knowing it inside out. And always remember, it's parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So let's try a really nasty one so we can get a good idea of why we need to do it in a certain way, and it's really helpful to understand and break it down. Well, I erased the PEMDAS, I needed that. That's alright, I have it again up there. It's always good to write it out before you do a problem. So most problems would typically have the word simplify on it. You want to get a final answer. So we have 29 minus 5 plus 3, 8 times 10 minus 50 curly face. Okay, so now here we can clearly see this is a mess, like my room. So first step is we're going to do parentheses first. Now most people might say, hey, can I add these two first? My answer to that is no. Cannot, because that's not the innermost bracket. The innermost bracket would be, ooh, I forgot one little thing. Sorry. It's 8 times 10 minus 8. There we go. That's the innermost parentheses. That's why it didn't make sense for a second. Sorry. Alright, so the innermost parentheses first. So we're going to mark this as, we're going to do that as the operation until we get rid of everything. So we're not going to do anything here. We're not going to do no combining at any time, but we're going to be rewriting a lot. So it's going to be 29 minus 5 plus 3 times 8. So it's 10 minus 8 is 2. Minus 50 parentheses. Okay. Next, Do we have any exponents? No. So we can forget about it. So let's do multiplication. But we're still in the innermost parentheses, mind you. So I'm gonna multiply 8 times 2, which is 16, minus 50. Then I have 29, minus 5. 3 times 16 is positive 48, minus 50. And then I have 29 minus, let's see, from left to right, I'm going to add, so 53 minus 50, 29 minus parentheses 3. So in the end, I'm going to multiply this negative with this positive, so it's going to be, I'll put the hour here, 29 minus 3, which is just going to be 26 as my answer. So it's important to, we're finished with all these situations. So it's important to always rewrite the problem as many times as it takes, because you really don't want to make a mistake. You don't want to really skip a step. And I know some people might say, well, professor, I'm just going to add these two. No, you cannot. That's not the innermost parentheses. So it's very important and crucial to always, always, always take your time with these types of problems. I hope this video was helpful, and that's the lesson for you guys. This is more in depth on PEMDAS. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to smash that like button, hit like, share, like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Smash that bell button, I meant to say, for more content. And I'll see you guys next time with another video. Remember, this has been Absolute 5. Math is infinite because there are infinitely many possibilities. Have a good one.